abbiamo.
Signore e signori, desideriamo richiamare la vostra attenzione su alcune dotazioni di sicurezza di questo progetto.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again we'd like to welcome you on board this Easyjet flight to Copenhagen. My name is Caroline, I'm the cabin manager on today's flight. Also joining me in the cabin have a good team here at the front seater. Shortly in the middle of the cabin will be Sabrina, and at the back we've got Kiara. We're here to make your journey safe and comfortable, so if there's anything you need then please do not hesitate to contact any one of us. We'd also like to take this opportunity to apologise for keeping you so long in the stairways and thank you for your understanding and patience. But we had a bit of a mix-up with the cabin crew this afternoon, and obviously with the communication it didn't get through to the ground staff, so we once again apologise for that. This afternoon's flight time should take approximately 1 hour and 45 minutes. Thank you.